Alright, so that's your target score. This year your target is 150 marks out of 200. Fine. This is the marks, not your attempt. You ask any of your friends who couldn't get a good score last year CET, they've not even touched 150 attempt. But here we are talking about 150 marks. Fine, that's the target score. Obviously, the actual cutoff was way lower than that. Fine, around 143 is going to be the cutoff. But obviously, if you target 143, then you'll get 130 only. So we have to target 150 so that we can get 143 score. Alright, so that's your target for CET. Alright, so these are the ranking of all the colleges: Jama Bajaj, Sydenham, KJ Somaiya, Lincoln. So band 0, band A, band B, band C. And their safe scores required. Fine, so these are the top 10 colleges which I recommend. Out of that, band A, band B are for the working people. If you are working, suppose you convert these colleges, then you should not go beyond that. And these are colleges, if you have a gap year or you're not working, you can still apply for that. Okay. Alright, so moving to the planning part for CET. In this video, we'll talk about the how to plan your CET preparation. Fine. So let's start the overview. There are 4 major sections: Quant and DI 50 marks, verbal 50 marks, logic 50 marks, and non-verbal reasoning 50 marks. So that's your 200 mark paper. Fine. If I go deeper into that, now this is where the most surprising factor. Most of the coaching institute is going to spend 60% of their classes on quant. But in CET, quant is only 20 marks. Out of 200, only 10% weightage is for quant. So quant is not the most important area. DI/DS is more important than quant. So 30 marks for DI. Within verbal, normal verbal, traditional verbal ability 35 questions, RC 15 questions, so 50 mark paper. Logical reasoning 30 questions, puzzles 30 questions, so total 60 marks. Visual reasoning and verbal reasoning 30 questions, 10 questions. This is your main deciding factor. Fine. If you have joined any coaching institute, most of them, they will tell you, if you have prepared for CAT, if you have joined us for CAT, you have done everything. You don't need to worry about CET. But next time, if you meet them, give them a hard slap on the face, because this 100 mark paper is totally different from CAT. Yes, quant, DI, verbal, RC you have done in CAT. But logic of CET is totally different from logic of CAT. Puzzles are different, visual reasoning, verbal reasoning. So all these topics are separate. So 100 mark paper, yes, you might have seen. But 100 mark is unseen, untapped paper, which is totally different from CAT. For example, logical puzzles of CAT are still manageable. Logic puzzles of CET are going to be more difficult than that of CAT. So we have to work on that. Alright, so let's talk about this overview. Now, what is going to happen to a student who is only preparing for CET? Fine. Now, this is a phase 1, which is the next 3 months. Next 3 months and last 4 months for CET. Fine. So, I'm talking about May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb. So, assuming CET is going to be in the Feb. Fine. So, May to June is your part 1, phase 2, phase 3. People join the coaching classes everywhere here. Fine. Being an Indian student, we have never studied more than 1 week, 10 days, or more than 1 month for the exams. And this exactly same thing is going to happen with you as well. If you're only preparing for CET, I'm talking about those people. From May to July, they are going to relax. Fine. No worries, no tension free, no problem at all. We will get the first kick when you see the first mock. The moment August, September, when you start taking the mocks for CET, you will feel the heat. Fine. And actual preparation students start after Diwali. I'm talking about Diwali here. So Diwali, after that, people will normally start preparing for CET. And that is not enough time to crack CET, and they will end up between 95 to 90 percentile. Most of them, trust me. This is where they're gonna end up in. Fine. In my last 5 years of teaching career, I've just seen one person who have only prepared for CET and was CET topper rank 1. Fine. Piyush, he was from VJTI, he only prepared for CET. There was just one case. Rest all of them have got through the other exams. Preeti was ranked 3rd in CET, but she was 82% in CAT. So Sujit Kumar ranked 2, CAT 86%. So all of them have gone through CAT, couldn't score well. That's why they started with the other exams. They started with the CET. They topped CET. Fine. Now let me remove this case. Now if you are preparing for the other exams, that's exactly what I want you to do. Fine. Now this is a curve or graph for the students who have only prepared for CET. Now let's look at the preparation graph for the person taking CAT or other exam. Fine. He have done his syllabus once in next 3 months. which I normally recommend now, because exam is in next 5 to 6 months. You have to start preparing now. Once you're done with this, next 3 months we are going to spend for the preparation for CAT, which is the advanced level preparation in CET. Fine. So if your same guy will be here, he'll be scoring 60-50 percentile now. Because he's preparing for CAT, he'll jump to 80 to 90 percentile in CAT. Yeah. CET topper, you have to be CET topper, but you have to be average in CAT. And after CAT, he'll start preparing for CET and have a very good chance to convert. Now you decide which graph you want to be here. You want to be in this graph or you want to be in this graph, right? So yes, there are some people who don't want to take CAT. They don't think that they can prepare CAT, or they don't want to go outside Bombay, which is very normal. So let's forget about CAT. Let's take CAT or Narsi Monji and MAT or IBPS, which is the bank PO exam. Now IBPS and CET are exactly same. Copy paste. 200 mark paper, 200 mark paper. Same visual reasoning, DI, logic, exactly same. So if you are taking IBPS, you are preparing for CET as well. So what I'm trying to say is, forget about CET. I was CET ka topper myself. I was CET King is now #1 player for CET, but I still recommend you do not think about CET now, because the moment you think about CET, which is going to be in Feb, you're going to start feeling lax. So your target is to complete your basics in next 3 months. That is your May 15, today is May 15, June 15, July 15, August 15. August 15, your syllabus should be done. So the next 3 months, we can revise everything for the first exam. Now, December onwards, when we start, November onwards, when we start preparing for the CET, we got 4 months ka time to revise everything. Look at the difference between this guy and this guy. He is starting his preparation now. This guy is doing his preparation first time, second time, third time. So obviously he is bound to score more. Fine, that's the main objective why I recommend CET, other exams as well along with CET. Do not bet everything on CET. It will backfire. It might backfire. Number of seats if I talk about it. Open General Bajaj, everyone target JBIMS. Number of seats in JBIMS, open seats are only 38. Mumbai Open. Fine. If I talk about even top 4 colleges, JB, Sydenham, KJ, Lincoln, total seats come out to be around 160, 152 in fact. Fine. So what I'm trying to say now is, okay, let's focus on few more exams rather than only on CAT, only on CET. Alright, that's your plan for the CET exam. This is the way I want you to prepare. Fine. I promise you, you will score 99 percentile if you follow this plan. Even if you not joined CET King, but this is the plan which I want you to follow. First is the books. Fine. I want you to divide the preparation into 2 parts. Basic books and CET books. Alright, so what I recommend is, what we have at CET King, we have phase 1 books and phase 2 books. Phase 1 books are to be covered in next 3 to 5 months, and then we'll start the phase 2 books, because the problem is at every B school they'll give you one set of books, which, trust me, your student is bound to fall sick of those books. You can same book for 1 year, and being an Indian student, we are especially Indian student, we are not used to looking at the same book for the long time. Alright, that's what exactly I recommend you to do the books in parts. So phase 1 books, which will be covering till Diwali, we call them orange books, and then post Diwali we'll start with CET. And I talked about the earlier part that Diwali is going to be a main deciding factor. So we'll cover up one exam before Diwali. So we have done our preparation once before Diwali. The lecture will happen same way. I want to study same way. If at CET, the way we do at CET, we'll cover the basics in next 3 months. We'll cover up second phase. We'll prepare for NMAT, CAT, NMAT, CAT or IBPS, whichever exam you want to focus on, and then we'll move the focus for CET. Even though CET will remain our main target, but we'll be taking a few more exams along with that. Yep. Along with that, I'll introduce you to all my shortcuts. Fine, because you have to find out shortcuts in everything. Fine. Logic, quant, verbal. Now you'll be surprised to know that yes, in logic also you can find shortcuts. And that's exactly what you have to do. I'm teaching for last 5 years. There are a lot of shortcuts which we have made up so that we can use them in various areas. Fine. The moment we're done with that, then we'll start with the workshop part, which will be starting once the basics are done. We'll do the advanced level questions so that we can see a little bit more difficult and up to the level of CET questions. Fine. Recordings we are recording every class. So each and every class will be recorded and will be available for you online. Fine. For example, if you attend a class today, it's impossible that you remember everything in after Diwali. So all the recordings are there with you. You can fall back to them anytime. You can see them 365 days. So that's what we have done. For CET, there will be total 30 mocks, total 100 mocks including CAT and all, but for CET there will be 30 mocks. Fine. Visual reasoning 10 workshops, verbal reasoning 10 workshop, and it will be assigned to a mentor. All the classroom students, I will be their mentor. Fine. For all the online students, we will have a dedicated mentor for you who will be taking care of all the strategy part. Alright, so this is the way I wanted to plan. So basically, if I just summarize in 1 minute, first phase basics, second phase advanced level for non-CET exams, and then last phase for CET. So phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. We are going to cover your syllabus 3 times. Okay. And that thing will ensure your score. I'm just recommending one simple thing: hard work. Alright. Alright, now I'll go deep into each and every area: quant, verbal, logic, and non-verbal reasoning. What is coming, what is not coming in these things. First, we'll start with the logical reasoning, which is a totally different ball game than CAT. And the CAT is only focused on puzzles, but here this is last 5 years ka breakup. You can pause the video and see the importance. Puzzles most important: 30 questions, co-decoding, number series, deductions, decision making, math-based, statement-based questions, symbol notation, alphanumeric series, individual mixed question, input output, again very important, miscellaneous, case stats, odd man out, strong weak argument, series, probably true, definitely true. This is also part of the verbal reasoning, so I will keep them out from here. Fine. Blood ratio, direction sense, word formation, and logics. So that's your scope for the CET exam, with these topics as the most important topics. I've given you that as well. I'm giving you the important topics and non-important topics as well. There's a separate workshop for that as well. Please see the video important topics for CET. That's a separate video which talks about in detail about all these things. Fine, moving to the DID, 30 questions dominated by table, line chart, bar graph, all these things will be there. Alright, that was our results in last CET which happened earlier. So we had 54 students who converted JBIMS from CET King Dream Team. You can join our Dream Team on Facebook. On Facebook, you can search for a group called Target JBIMS, or go to facebook.com/groups/target JBIMS. That is the link for the group. Fine. So you can join the group, and there will be a lot of questions and information given on the site which will help you out. Alright, moving to the quant section, one of the most underused section in the CET exam. Fine. These are last year OHU. Out of 14 of the OHU students were from CET King, based in Pune, Nasik, Nagpur, all these places. Alright, so quant section mainly dominated by data comparison, BODMAS and data comparison. One of the topics is going to come every year, alternately. So probability, permutation, combination, mensuration, equation, geometry. These are the main areas. Time and work, time, speed, distance, one question you can expect. Simple interest, percentages, profit and loss, ratios, one question. But main thing is geometry, probability, PNC. Verbal section, reading comprehension, main thing, close passage 10 marks, grammar, sentence in the glance, which is very similar for almost every other exam. Fine. Out of the OMS candidate, out of 18, 13 were from CET King. That's a record we had last year. Moving to the verbal reasoning. Now these are the two deciding factors. When I started CET King, I knew these are the two areas which we have to work on: verbal reasoning and visual reasoning. So there are going to be 10 workshops available online once you join us on the classroom, which will cover up all these things: cause and effect, courses of action, all these topics will be taken care of. Fine, from the CET point of view. Visual reasoning, there are going to be 30 workshops online. Fine, it is not 10 workshops, 30 workshops will be available online that cover up everything for this. With the promise, you will be sitting in your CET paper, every question which you will be solving, you have done with a shortcut in class. That I can promise you. Fine, so all this thing will take care of. And that's a typical example of the question. And trust me, the look and feel will be exactly like this. This is not going to be a very good format of the picture you'll see, and will be like more of a scanned copy, which will be like this. It's not very clear to you. Yeah. Books wise, as we talk about CET King phase 1, phase 2, both the books will be available for all the students. Mocks. Now 200 mark paper is impossible to solve. You cannot solve 200 mark paper. So we are going to start mocks from scratch level. and gradually increase pace. First mock at CET King is only 50 marks. 50, 50, then 100, then 200. Obviously, if you can't solve 200 mark a paper, it makes no sense to even attempt the paper. Let's start with a smaller paper. Let's start with a 20 mark paper, 50 mark paper, and then gradually increase the pace. Yep, that's what we are going to follow. Alright, so if you want to join us, you can join us on cetking.com. Online classroom classes, please call this number. Online classes, please call these numbers. Fine. So now you got 10 months time with you. Trust me, this is more than sufficient. Alright, all the best. But please utilize your 10 months of time. Trust me, 90% of the people will start their preparation after Diwali. But let's see if you can start before that. Alright, all the best.